guys, all the best for the examination. I hope you all do well. Keep your calm, keep your cool. This is a good opportunity for you. And you have studied. It's not that you have not been studying. Yes, there will be some gaps. It's impossible to complete the entire syllabus. But have faith in whatever you have done. And good work always gets rewarded. So all the best, do your best. And all of you who are not given examination, it's a wise thing that you also keep track of the question paper. See the paper, what type of questions have been asked, what is the type of approach the papers are demanding out of your writing skills, and sit down and make sure that you at least look through the notes and assess what would you have done if you were in the examination hall. And guys who are giving the examination, make sure that you do not discuss the paper during the exam period. You don't discuss your performance till the last paper is done. So all the best again. Keep your calm, have patience, have faith in yourself, and go out and do whatever you can do in that 2-3 hours in the examination hall. Good luck.
Stay tuned and subscribe to Edukemy's YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you get timely notification when we start with our live discussion and analysis of the essay paper on 7th January at 6 p.m. and GS paper 1 to 4 on 8th and 10th January at 3 p.m. and 7 p.m. respectively.
The discussion of these papers will be done by India's best-in-class faculties for UPSC Civil Service Examination preparation, and aspirants and students shall be requested to raise the questions also during that live discussion. It will help you not only understanding the kind of questions that are being asked and how to approach them, but will also help you in setting the tone and also understanding the trajectory of preparation for UPSC Civil Service Examination preparation for the year 2022.